Welcome to the world of words, where the alphabet is wanted for being so much fun. Let's catch some letters and learn new words together. Looky here, the letter A is wanted. Let's learn what A stands for. A, like A. Can y'all say it? A, A, A. Now let's write it. Big A and little a. A is for apple. Apple, apple, apple. A is for ant. Ant, ant, ant. A is for alligator. Alligator, alligator, alligator.
A is for apple. A is for ant. A is for alligator. Let's sing A, B, C, and D. Letters are fun for you and me. Yee-haw!
Well, what do we have here? The letter B is next. Say it loud. B, 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 B. Let's write big B and little b. B is for ball. Ball, ball, ball. B is for banana. Banana, banana, banana. B is for bear. Bear, bear, bear.
B is for dog. B is for bear. B is for banana. Let's sing A, B, C, and D. Letters are fun for you and me. Yee-haw!
Up next, C. Say it with me. C, 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 C. Let's write big C and little c. C is for cat. Cat, cat, cat. C is for car. Car, car, car. C is for cookie. Cookie, cookie, cookie.
Yee-haw! C is for cat. C is for car. C is for cookie. Let's sing A, B, C, and D. Letters are fun for you and me. Yee-haw!
And now, the dynamite letter, D. Say it proud, D. D, D, D. Let's write big D and little d. D is for dog. Dog, dog, dog. D is for duck. Duck, duck, duck. D is for drum. Drum, drum, drum.
Yee-haw!
for dog. D is for duck. D is for drum.
Let's sing A, B, C, and D. Ride along and learn with me. Yee-haw!
Yeehaw! Great work, cowpokes. You've rustled up A through D, the start of your alphabet adventure. Keep your hats on and come back soon for more fun with letters here in Word Town. Until next time, happy trails.